Welcome to Star City in Manila. Today we're taking a ride on the Egyptian spinning coaster. A gentle, family-friendly start to the day. Let's go!
That was unexpected. That's horrendous. Oh, this is stop even. I love how excited Filipinos are about this roller coaster. If you like videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you on the next roller coaster.
YouTube is recommending that you watch this video next, or you can click the up button to subscribe to our channel. We have been Asher and Troy from Coasters Couple. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.